like to look into my eyes, stop looking in the mirror, to understand what I know, not to hear the voice that speaks only of you, beyond the threshold of pain, beyond the sound. And I walk through deserts of your indifference, silences full of words in the space endless ended. It's still you surrounding reality with your dreams and your songs, with your hopes and your poetry, with your eyes and your follies. You cannot change who you are, you're only you do, yet we are what we do. And the silence is too strong, echoing inside me, beyond the threshold of pain, beyond the sound. Like to look in my own eyes, I'd like to look in my own eyes. I'd like to look in my own eyes, stop looking in the mirror, to understand where you know, and not to hear the voice that speaks only of you, beyond the threshold of pain, beyond the sound.